Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the SQ11 Mini DV camera. Now, this is a full HD resolution camera, as you can see from the mention on the bottom right. And then there's the branding over here, which reads Sports HD DV. It also very much clearly tells you what kind of camera this is. On the right hand side of the packaging, we have some features being highlighted. Namely that this thing can take video, it can be interfaced with a PC to become a PC camera, it can take pictures, record audio, and it has motion detecting capabilities. On the other end, you've got some salient features being mentioned, some of which indicate good low light performance, high-speed interface for transferring data from the camera to your PC, support for T-Flash card, that is a micro SD card with 32 GB maximum capacity, and built-in lithium battery that can continuously record the camera for 100 minutes. On the back side, you have some specifications, a few of which we've already seen. So the video format is AVI, video coding is MJPEG, video resolution ratio is 1280 by 720p or 1920 by 1080 HD. Frame rate is 30 FPS. Player is the operating system built-in player that is on your PC. Picture format is JPEG. Image proportion for pictures is 4:3. Supported operating systems include Windows ME, 2000 XP, 2003, Vista, macOS, and Linux. The built-in battery capacity is 200 mAh, and like we saw previously, it can last or record for 100 minutes straight. It uses a mini USB 8-pin interface, and again you can insert a micro USB card into it. That's it for all the information on the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So inside the packaging you have several accessories. First is your user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device. Then you've got a little ball joint with mounting holes, so you can actually drill and affix this particular mounting plate onto any surface and then attach the camera onto this little mount. Then there's a clip-on crocodile clip mount. Again, you can place the camera on this and then attach it to any fabric or line. Then there's the cable, which can be used for transferring data as well as for charging the internal battery. You can see that it uses a mini USB interface. This is kind of a rare interface to see. And on the other hand, you have a normal Type A interface. Cable length is about 45 centimeters. And the last thing inside the packaging is the actual camera. So it's extremely compact. This is the front side of the camera where you can see the lens in the center. And once you flip it around, you can see a button which allows you to change the different mode. And there's a power button, and right to the left of the mode button is a little opening through which you can reset the camera. And there's a little cutout notch for attaching a lanyard or a strap. Then you have the slot for the TF card or the micro SD card. Right beside it is the mini USB interface, and that's about it. That was the unboxing of the Sports HD DV SQ11 Mini DV camera. Thank you for watching.